About RPM, we are a full-service property management, investment, and development company. With over 200,000 units under management in the United States, we're ranked as the 4th largest property management company by the National Multifamily Housing Council. Over the last 5 years, we've virtually doubled in size every 18 months. So that growth has created a lot of opportunity, but as you can imagine, it's also created a lot of challenges. We identified a lack of standardization as one of the primary challenges that was facing our organization. Not surprising, right? I'm sure many organizations could say the same thing. And while we had some solutions in place, we realized that there were gaps, that technology was not only not helping, but it was actually hindering information sharing across the organization and exacerbating the effect of some of these information silos and overall kind of lack of coordination. And we were definitely facing unacceptably long response times and wait times, or adding even more support resources. But with a good description of the challenge, we identified a knowledge management system as the solution for RPM. With one source of truth, we can power consistency and efficiency in knowledge sharing and support across our RPM associates, our support teams, and our residents. So through our process of search for the right knowledge management system and our RFP, we found eGain. We were really impressed by the platform, particularly the native capabilities around AI-powered search and content creation. The out-of-the-box integrations with Zendesk and Salesforce and SharePoint meant that we could fit the platform seamlessly into our existing architecture. And on the backside, permissions and controls to create really powerful content management going forward and governance. So that really brings us to today. We launched our customer web self-service portal in July of 2024 and our associate portal in November. So we're still pretty early out of the gate. Powering both is the Knowledge Hub, one repository for content for both our associates and our customers, with multiple ways that both audiences can access that content. Customer self-service has been live for almost a year, and our associate portal for 6-8 months, but we're already starting to see great results. Our associate teams really love the ease of navigating the platform, using search, they find really simplified, and also the ability to add feedback to continue to improve the content over time. And we're seeing that satisfaction in the engagement. We've seen over 70% of RPM associates are regularly logging into the portal. In fact, over the last 3 months, that logins have looked like about 6 per associate per month for those who are getting in there, which we find to be quite high adoption. And as you can see, search success is hovering in the very high 90s. Our unit count has jumped way up, and our customer count has jumped way up. We've actually seen a reduction in the number of tickets that are being submitted to the platform. In the same time, we've also reduced our headcount by several FTEs while still maintaining our SLAs. Search success when we launched the platform was at about 68%, and at the end of last month, it was at 85%. We're also seeing good adoption for the virtual assistant, and self-service rates are hovering around 88% since launch. The KMS has been a game changer, right, for our entire staff. By creating this incredible tool, we're able to provide better support for our valued customers. Our agents find an easier workflow. That experience and that access to knowledge and process and resource without ever leaving the ticket has made them more effective and more efficient. Our L&D team in particular are huge fans of the platform, and they're already starting to see the benefits of better content management to create consistency in process and operations across our organization, and really improve the speed to proficiency for our incoming teams. And finally, our operators, those really folks who are out there at the site, are pleased with the platform, in particular how intuitive it is to use and how the system continues to learn with time as we continue to use it. So the feedback has been great, and we've also identified additional opportunities to optimize and enhance the platform and continue to improve our customers' experiences. This quarter, we're really focused on bringing more of those disparate repositories of content together. And we'll be launching, or actually did recently launch, federated search through the Knowledge Network for our SharePoint site. We're also continuing to enable our support teams with additional guided help, scenarios and resources, and also being able to more effectively visualize and action our KMS data with role-based analytics dashboards. Next quarter, we're eager to extend knowledge access to even more of our associates and our customers with multilingual content translation. We're going to be bringing together our People Hub with our Knowledge Hub via an integration with UKG Pro. And we're eager to find even more opportunities to personalize that experience for our associates using the Knowledge Network via personalization and leveraging our single sign-on platform.